Hi Dress and Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the numbers 2025 to celebrate the new year. So let's get started. To draw these very sweet numbers, let's first start by drawing the number 2. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm just trying to make them bubble numbers. So I'm going to come right about here and just start going to draw my number 2. So I'm just going to curve down as if I'm just writing the number 2, but just making it fatter, right? So I'm going to go up about right here, and my goal is to just make everything as even as possible as I go around. That's the goal. So here we go, and about right here I'm going to stop and then come around about the same area right here and then go around, and then right here I'm going to extend out the leg and end about the same area, round it off, and about right here I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off with a line there. So just a very basic soft number 2. So now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the number 0. So I'm going to have my numbers kind of stuck together. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve for my 0. And I'm going to go up. And I'm going to try to make it about the same height. So let's just say about right here. And so I'm going to try to just draw it basically kind of like this oval for my 0. And I'm going to bring it around, and I want to end at the same height as the bottom of the 2. So go ahead about right there. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can always just draw a straight line across and then just erase the line after. There, so I've got this oval, and always make adjustments if you need. And then I'm going to come into the center about right here, and just kind of follow my outside to create my 0. There. Okay, so now I have that. We need to draw another 2. So once again, I'm going to stick it next to this 0. So I'm going to come about right here with this point and just kind of drag it across so that I'm approximate. Just approximate the same as the other 2. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and curve and go up. And just like the other 2, then I'm going to bring it down towards my 0, hit it, and then bring it. Drag this across. Oops. And go down to hit that point and go across. Then let's come back up. And once again, just try to match the other 2 about right here. And we're just going to go around once again. And about right here. So I'm just dragging these points because I'm just trying to draw my numbers about the same, but it doesn't have to be. Just have fun with this. There. Okay, so I have a number 2, and then now I need to draw the 5. So I'm going to come right here next to this 2 and just round this part off for a corner of my 5. Go across about the same height and go across. Bring this down to say about right here, and let's draw to about right here. Round it off, come in, and about right here we're going to start to go around for the number 5. Nice and big. Next to our 2, go across. Make sure I'm about the same height, and then connect. And then let's go ahead and finish off our 5. Go around and loop. There, finally, 2025. So now that you have this basic bubble numbers, we can go ahead and decorate it. And this year I wanted to make it extra sweet, so I'm just going to add a bunch of dessert toppings. So I'm going to start with this one right here and just quickly come here and just draw some whipped cream. This is just meant to inspire you. I can't wait to see your fan art of what you come up with. I'm just going to draw a little cherry right here and put in a little stem. And then maybe this one we can make it a little bit more extravagant with some cream. There's just so many ideas, but finally just stuck with this one. So hopefully you like it. And I'm going to put a strawberry up here. Little stem. And then of course we need to put in the leaves of our strawberry. There. And then when you color it, just put in some dots. And then let's see here for this one, maybe some cream as well, going this way. And then we're going to stick in a big heart. And then perhaps a candle to celebrate the new year. And let's see here, this one. Let's add, I'm going to add 4 circles right here. And then a little mound. Not sure what this is, but just something desserty. Just to add some color, and then we can add some these cookie sticks. There, so hopefully you like this. I just needed something tall over here to balance everything out. So that is pretty much it for the topping. So then in the numbers right here, I thought it'd be really cute just to add some drizzle to make everything extra sweet. So I'm just gonna come in here and quickly add this drizzle. And let's see here, maybe this one's up here. And one last one. There. And of course, this wouldn't be drawn so cute unless they had some faces, right? So let's come over here and we're going to add some faces to make it extra cute. So just come right here, make these very happy eyes, maybe like a kissy mouth. For this one, then this one could be maybe just a basic circle for some eyes, and then a happy tongue smile. And this one, maybe some laughing eyes, and just a basic smile. And one last one. Some brown eyes again, and then a mouth. There. Just nice and simple, hopefully. And that is pretty much it for this year's 2025 numbers to celebrate the new year. I wish you cuties a very sweet and cute new year, just like these numbers, and I can't wait to draw more for you this year. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I helped you, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.